In this lecture we will cover up who and whom, who is used for nominative case and whom is used for objective case. In order to understand who and whom, we first need to understand what is nominative case and what is objective case. In nouns we have already covered up nominative and objective case. In this session we will take a quick revision of it. Nominative case is nothing but subject and objective case is object. If we take up another sentence, Ram hit a ball. In this case, ball is an object and ball will always remain in objective case. Subject remains in nominative case and object remains in objective case. In order to solve the questions related to who and whom, we just need to understand what is the object and what is the subject given in the question. Suppose there is a sentence, I like the boy who helps the poor, and second sentence is, this is the boy whom all admire. In the first sentence we are using who, in the second sentence we are using whom. In the first sentence we are using who for boy, in the second sentence we are using whom for boy, because in the first sentence I like the boy who helps the poor. In this sentence boy is a subject and in this sentence boy is an object. So for subject we are using who. In this question why boy is the subject? Because I like the boy who helps the poor. Here boy is doing an action. What action? Helps the poor. So anything that performs an action, that is a subject, and upon whom the action is being done, that is the object. In the second sentence, subject is all, action is admiring, and who is being admired? Boy. So here boy is an object and for an object we will use who. Okay, next, in examinations, in order to solve who and whom questions, we just need to follow a simple understanding, that is, if we get any question based on who and whom, we will try to convert that question into he or she or him or her. Okay, now what does this mean? Okay, let's have a look at few questions. So here are a few questions. To whom did you hand your ticket? What answer we will get? You handed your ticket to him. You handed your ticket to him. What are we getting here? Him. So we will use whom. Whom will you interview first? I will interview him. Here also we are getting the answer him. So we will use whom. I cannot recall who the 30th president was. Here we are using who, because I cannot recall who the 30th president was. So what will be the answer? He was the 30th president. He was the 30th president. So we are using who here. Who is making all that noise? He is making all that noise. So here also we will be using who. Who is attending the event? He is attending the event. So here also we will use who. Whom did they invite? What answer will we get here? They invited him. So here also we are getting him. So we will use whom. So this is a simple concept that we have to follow in any examination related to who and whom. You just have to convert who and whom into he or she or him or her, and you will get the answers all here. There is no need to get confused here. Just follow this concept, convert it into he or she or him or her, and you will be able to solve each and every question of who and whom. Okay, so this is the concept here, and you can start practicing the questions. If you have any doubt, you can ask me all the doubts here.